Hello, everybody. It is week 5, and you guys are doing awesome. It's time for your week 5 pep talk, and I just want to kind of go through. I posted an announcement today about the community assessment paper. It was listed in the syllabus under community population assessment paper, and let's just kind of settle it down. And it's called population-centered community health promotion project graded assignment population community assessment paper. So let's just call it the community assessment paper. It's just got a few guidelines here. We're going to do you're going to do your criteria where you have your synopsis here, an introduction, community assessment, your analysis, and then college level writing. So I put the adjusted criteria right here for you guys. And if you look on assignments, I also extended the paper to be due on Sunday at 9 o'clock. It's only 4 to 6 pages, very small. I just want you to synthesize your community assessment and what brought you together as a group to your PSA. Now, each one of you are going to have a different community assessment paper, but your synthesis piece should be pretty similar why you guys decided to choose what you chose for your PSA. In the assignments band, if you click here and you go down, you'll see community assessment paper here. Click on that and then submit it, and the rubric is already embedded. If you'll notice in the announcement, I placed the rubric right here so you can click on it. And you'll see the rubric will pop up it's a doc, and it's basically will tell you everything you need to know as far as what I'm looking for in the rubric. It's pretty simple. We're just going to distinguish, proficient, apprentice, and novice. So it's right here, and that's what I'm basically looking for in the rubric. If you follow the guidelines, that's probably your best bet. Is just right here. It shouldn't be too long and elaborate. Just kind of make a little introduction about your community, what kind of assessment you did, how you did your analysis and assessment, and describe specific strategies you used, what rationale guided you. Pick 2 of the 4 concepts of the course, vulnerability and populations, and relate it to your community or population, and determine, who cares, what part of this is being done or not done, and what are the current barriers or supports faced in your community or population. And that is to relate towards your PSA. Why did you pick that PSA in your particular community? Why did you guys do that as a group? And then how do you plan to launch your PSA to improve the health or promote a safety subject within your community? So it is in the assignments. So this is a little bit of an edit to the syllabus. Besides that, I think you guys are doing wonderful. This is the end of week 5. We're going into week 6. At this point, you guys should be at the point where you are almost done with your PSA and hopefully are going to be able to launch it. I am going to put the PSA assignments, and that's where you're going to be able to dock your PSA. That's all I have for you right now, guys. Thank you so much.